Good morning. Day 2. Hi, we're here now at Abagatan, Manila, and these are the koi and water lilies. Water lily ba to? Ayan. So, this is a new resort or hotel in Tagaytay. If you want to know more about this resort, keep watching this video! Mag-iba yung pwesto. Hindi ko na siya. Ayan. Naririnig niyo ba ang mga cricket? Sobrang lakas. So, what I notice here in Abagatan is yung maririnig mo yung mga sounds talaga ng nature. Tsaka, maririnig mo yung mga crickets. There's a clinic. Rooms. I'm not sure if there are other facilities, pero for sure pwedeng mag-wedding dito, mag-events, conferences, and yun. Since bago lang siya, I'll check kung meron pa siyang other facilities aside from the swimming pool and the conference room. Iniwan. This is outside of the reception. These are the rooms there. So, ganyan. 1, 2, 3, or 1 sa baba, yung mga restaurant. Pero dito are the rooms around. Yan. So, one example of the room. Yan. Overlooking paglabas ng mga nature. If you love nature, if you love yan, may mga restaurant, Cafe Marco at Cafe Gabian. Can you hear that? That's the sound of crickets or nature. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something about Abagatan, Manila. See you! Bye!